Hi guys, welcome to my vacation nail art tutorial featuring products from Charlie's Nail Art that I was sent to review. So first off, I used the Born Pretty Stores BP124 stamping plate and the Beauty Big Bangs green stamping polish. I used the World image from the stamping plate and transfer this onto the stamper, and then with the Beauty Big Bangs blue normal nail polish I reverse stamp, filling in all the areas on my image which would be water. As you can see, I'm using the normal nail polish brush because it is a larger area to fill in and I don't have to worry about not going out the lines and being finicky basically. You do need to wait for the polish to dry slightly before stamping the image onto the nail, because otherwise it will smush and your image just won't transfer. So next I prepare my nail with the Born Pretty Stores liquid latex. I've done this just so when I stamp the image onto the nail, if there is any overhang, then it'll pick up when I remove the liquid latex. So as you can see, I'm only stamping half of the world image because I'm going to stamp the other half onto my other nail. So here I am just removing any excess polish from around my nail. I'm not very good at doing this. I'm always too scared that I'm going to ruin the design. So here I am repeating the process that I did originally. I do have discount codes for the Beauty Big Bangs and the Born Pretty Store polishes, products even, sorry. I will add all this information into the description box, so don't forget to check that out for some 10% discount codes. Everybody loves a bargain. So again, just applying the liquid latex around my nail, and then I will be transferring or stamping the other half of the world image onto my nail, like so, and then tidying up the excess stamping image from around my nail. And then I put a barrier matte top coat onto my nail. This isn't the end of the design. This is just to be able to apply the Charlie's Nail Art Aeroplane 3D Charm. I do have a discount code. It's NGF15. I will apply this into the description box. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.